Hi guys, happy Thursday. I hope you are doing well. I'm going to go ahead and talk about a couple of important reminders for today and what's going on in the future. Guys, please take notes in your agenda or your phone, whatever you guys put down important reminders for, please take that out and take note, okay? So let's look at a couple of things for today. So today's lesson, guys, so remember we always need to complete each step below, okay? Step one, you're going to take the proportional relationships quiz. That is for a grade. However, guys, I don't know if you've noticed, but you have 2 attempts. That was like the quiz from last week too. Some of you only did it once. You're permitted to have 2 attempts. So if you guys tomorrow on Flex Friday, if you want to go back and try that second attempt for last week's quiz, you can. But just keep in mind today, your quiz that is going to be graded, you'll have 2 attempts. Please make sure that you guys are showing your work while you are completing that quiz, because step 2, you are going to have to submit your work, okay? A lot of you know how to do that. You just go to the assignments tab and look for proportional relationship quiz scratch work. Okay. If you do not submit your scratch work, you do not get a grade. It'll stay in NTI. Okay. Let's move on to a couple announcements and reminders. Number one, I have a Google Meets today at 10 a.m. If you would like to attend before you take your graded assignment, you may. Okay, because I have some things that I'd like to talk to you about. It's going to help you a lot. Again, I'm going to go over concepts from this week, so please attend before you complete your graded assignment. Happy birthday, Aubrey. I hope you have a wonderful day. I know it's unfortunate that you have to spend it inside, but I hope that you and your family enjoy your day, okay? Also, next week is the last week of full instruction. That means that it's the last week where you're going to learn something new, okay? The week after, meaning May 11th through the 15th, will be a review because your final will be on the 18th. So please write that down. That's really important. I don't want you to forget to take your final, okay? All right, I will be sending out progress reports today, probably at the end of the day when you guys after you've taken your quiz for today. That way you guys know what to work on for tomorrow's Flex Friday. So again, that's going to help you know what assignments you're missing. And tomorrow is Flex Friday, so remember Flex Friday is used to catch up on your MTIs or any retakes. I will have a Google Meet tomorrow from 11 to 2 to help answer any questions. And I am requiring your attendance if you have a not turned in assignment, okay? It's not optional. You have to come check in with me. You don't need to stay on Google Meets the whole time from 11 to 2. That's just a check-in time. Meaning you can hop on, say, hey, Miss Linsky, what am I missing? I'll tell you, you can hop on 30 minutes, an hour later and let me know you've completed it, okay? Today, you must turn in your scratch work. Some of you have still not turned in your scratch work from last week's quiz and the week before. So I'm not going to hunt you down, guys. That's your responsibility. Once you've turned that in and you need to message me saying, Miss Linsky, I've submitted my scratch work for blah, blah, blah. Okay, can you update my NTI? And I'd be more than happy to. So remember, no scratch work means no grade. And then on top of today, when I check grades around 4:30, 5 o'clock, if you have submitted your scratch work the same time that I've asked you, meaning today, I will give you plus 5 points on a graded assignment. So if I check today and you haven't submitted your scratch work, you lose that opportunity for me to add 5 points to a graded assignment. So guys, if you want that 5 points to a graded assignment, even if it's the one for today, go ahead, make sure you show your work today and submit that today along with your quiz. All right? So please, every time I see that there's no work and you've taken the quiz, I think you're killing me, Small, because you guys do really well, but I can't enter that in until I get your scratch work. So guys, I will see you at 10 o'clock. If you have any questions whatsoever, please comment on the activity feed and I will answer you ASAP. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your Thursday.